Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Tales by BKD. As I had mentioned in the third vlog that I'll be making a different video specially for the permit and paperwork, the procedure, and all the details required. Because this is the most important aspect. So I'll be guiding you the necessary steps required so that it becomes hassle-free for all of you. The later part of this video was recorded on 12th of October 2021. First and foremost, we need to reach Gangtok by 2:30 p.m. because the permit office gets closed by 3 p.m. Max to max, they can wait till 3:15. The documents that we need to carry are voter card or else the passport, the RC of the vehicle, a valid driving license, the insurance, and the latest pollution certificate. The moment when you reach Gangtok and when we have to apply for the permit, we cannot do it by ourselves. So we need to hire a travel agent. So in case if you do not know any travel agent, you'll find many of them in the permit office. We need to come to 0 point. Come to DHH 0 point. So these are the two permits that we get from the government of Sikkim. On the left is the permit for the biker and the vehicle, and on the right, this is actually the Nathula Pass permit, as well as it's been sanctioned from the police station. So what we need to do is we need to keep at least 10 copies of these two pages because whenever we cross a checkpost, they'll be asking 2 Xerox copies of these. Now I'll be talking about the money that will be spent for these two permits. First of all, I'll be including the charges of the travel agent. Well, in my case, it's 1200. Now that depends upon season to season. That you'll understand in the later part of the video. Then 200 rupees is charged for the Nathula Pass. Then the moment we enter East and North Sikkim, 200 rupees is charged every day. So in case if you are here for 5 days, then it will be, so total we have to spend 2400. Hi, this is Rinchen here. He's the travel agent for my paperwork and everything. Rinchen, could you please explain it to others? Kya permit papers chahiye and all everything details.
Okay, so yeah, Hindi में बोल देता हूँ.
Hindi, English, anything.
Okay, so first and foremost, my name is Rinchen. Rinchen Bhoti. I'm from Sikkim itself. So being a local, so I'm helping your Ishi brother. So
Thank you.
The main reason that I'm coming with this video is actually it's regarding the permits. So what kind of documents you need and all.
So what all documents do we have to give?
So you need to carry your RC, right?
Okay.
Registration paper.
Okay.
Smoke test.
That's the pollution. Okay.
Or insurance.
Okay.
Or your voter card.
Voter card or passport.
Passport.
Okay. Aadhar card doesn't work here.
Aadhar card is not valid.
Okay.
So only voter card is valid, right? So for your documents, voter card is important, right? So with your vehicle documents, voter card, and that's it. With 2 passport size photo, right?
Okay.
So actually, there has been a rumor. Okay. So you can make the permit the same day. It's not possible to make permit with the same day.
Okay.
Right? For bike permits, you need 2 days, right? One from tourism and one from police department,
okay.
right? Because of security reason.
Okay.
Because North Sikkim and East Sikkim is totally a restricted place. So after all, we are like surrounded by borders. So
yeah.
China. After all.
Exactly. So it's very strict here.
So it's
that's
very
why.
strict. So you need to do with your proper documentation.
Okay. Why do we need to hire a travel agent, Rinchen? क्यों एक travel agent चाहिए? देखिए, मैं अभी आया गुवाहाटी से, तो मैं खुद भी तो पेपर अप्लाई कर सकता था, परमिट अप्लाई कर सकता था, पर क्यों नहीं कर सकता?
Most of the reason is that many of the riders from like outside Sikkim says that are saying like this that they can make permit by themselves, right? Actually, it's been like 4 to 5 months. Travel association from Sikkim, they had made an organization, right? So if the outsiders who comes, if they can make the permit by themselves, so what's the use of agent?
Understood.
What's the use? So we have to make this license and all. For that we have to pay to the government, right? So if they come and if they make their permit by themselves, so it's like
you guys will run out of business.
We are out of business. We are like
understood.
unemployed, right?
Okay.
So for that, Sikkim government has stated that travel agent. You must visit travel agent only through travel agent. You can't
Okay.
make by yourself.
We
right?
cannot make
no.
permit without a travel agent.
Without
okay.
a travel agent.
So could you tell me the costing of the permit?
Okay, so right now it actually depends upon the season, right? So in off season there will be like certain relaxation for like permits
Okay.
and payments. Right now it's a peak season, right?
Huh,
So it's
yes, absolutely.
it's quite comfortable. It's quite uncomfortable. It's quite difficult to make a permit, right?
Okay.
So that's why it's little bit higher in present situation because
Okay.
of puja.
Higher in rate.
Higher
You're
in
talking
rate.
about rate. Okay.
Higher in rate because of puja and all.
Huh.
So one thing, if you are planning to visit Sikkim, first of all and foremost thing, please make an advance contact with the agent from your home itself, so
Okay.
that you can send your documents to PDF,
Okay.
simple PDF,
PDF format. Understood?
PDF format,
Huh?
so that before you when you reach to
When
Sikkim,
we reach Sikkim, the permits are
the permit
ready.
will be ready.
Ready.
So you there will be no waste of your time, no waste of your money.
Exactly.
Actually it's up, everything comes upon days, time and money, right? So time and money is very valuable. So if you are trying to come, so please contact first of all the
Contact Rinchen.
agent.
You know,
Okay.
tomorrow actually I didn't know anybody here in Sikkim, so that is why what I thought ki I'll come here, I'll make my own permit. So when I came here, they told me that no, without a travel agent you cannot. So Rinchen has done the paperwork, and tomorrow 9 o'clock, कल सुबह मिल जाएगा.
8:30 से 9 बजे तक आप परमिट मिल जाएगा.
बॉस 8:30 बजे जल्दी करवाना हाँ.
Definitely.
So okay.
So,
And I'll be sharing his contact details in the description box.
Sure.
And please do contact him. He's a damn good guy, and
So-
he'll help you the most.
if you need any help, there is a Facebook. It's not a page actually. It's a Facebook account. It's Rinchen Sikkimis. Rinchen Sikkimis. Right.
Okay, the card which I took the photo
Right,
उसमें ही है ना?
right.
Okay,
It's
ठीक है.
Rinchen Sikkimis. So actually, I'm tied up with very bike riders.
Okay.
Like in and around Kolkata, जितना भी वो ग्रुप राइडर है
हाँ.
पूरा इंटैक्ट है मेरे साथ, तो
Okay.
मैं ज्यादातर फिर सिर्फ बाइक का ही करता हूँ.
Alright, nice,
फर्स्ट
good.
एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग
बाइक का ही करना चाहिए.
मैं बाइक का करता हूँ. मैं भी एक राइडर ही हूँ.
Okay.
Being I have done Ladakh like
Oh,
in
nice.
2017. I went to
Nice.
Nepal. I
Nice,
went to
lovely.
Bhutan.
Lovely.
And like
So you are a rider, so you'll understand the
Yeah.
pain of
So
a
that's it,
rider.
so
You know,
that's it.
when the permit is not ready, you are not able to go to that place. So this happens.
okay. And next time I think I'll be visiting your place.
Yes, please, most welcome.
Sure,
Come to
sure.
Guwahati whenever you come.
Definitely.
Just give me a call and we'll ride. There are numerous places. You know, there's a beautiful island. It's the world's largest island called Majuli. You should visit there.
Okay.
It's a damn good place.
Okay. So if you need help, any kind of help, like not only permits, regarding any kind.
Any kind of help in Sikkim, right?
Right.
Okay.
So I can help you out. Okay.
Okay, thanks
So,
a lot, Rinchen.
Okay.
I hope everybody, you know, they are now happy and they are able to understand what kind of issues, what kind of paperwork is required, and what is the importance of a travel agent in Sikkim. And I hope I've been able to, you know, explain it to you in the best possible way. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please do hit the like and subscribe button. And in case if you have any more doubts, please feel free to ask. I'll add my email address in the description box. Till then, take care.